Networking and banking equipment are essential to the flow of money and communications, arguably two of the most important elements of business on this planet. We need durable and appealing metal enclosures to protect and beautify these vital pieces of equipment. These attractive enclosures are completely due to the upgrade and development of precision sheet metal processing. Dongguan Jiatong, a professional sheet metal manufacturer, will provide you a full set of production solutions including sheet metal processing, welding, spraying, silkscreen, and assembly. Hello everyone. Dongguan Jiatong Precise Metal Products Company Limited was founded in 2011. Our management and core technical team possess over 15 years of sheet metal processing experience in American and Japanese factories. At Dongguan Jiatong, we have equipped our production centers with full sets of Japanese, European, and American sheet metal processing machinery and testing instruments, and we have completed the operation standards and flow of quality inspection. We can provide clients reliable, high-end products. We have collaborated with and received high praise from our numerous international customers, such as Hitachi, Oki, Hewlett-Packard, Toshiba, Skyworth Group, Lenovo, among others. Dongguan Jiatong owns and operates an advanced 6,500 square meter manufacturing facility, and in order to provide better precision sheet metal processing, we have purchased full sets of sheet metal processing lines that allows for precision cutting, stamping, and bending within 0.1 millimeters. According to our customers' needs and the specific type of sheet metal used, we choose the appropriate welding method and equipment to make sure the welding is of highest quality and is effective at reducing distortion. In addition, after completing sheet metal processing, Dongguan Jiatong provides surface treatment services such as painting, silk screening, and laser marking. Dongguan Jiatong owns a semi-automatic powder coating line equipped with Swiss electrostatic spray guns. Working with different sizes and quantities, we can operate flexibly. Also, we conduct a number of tests to ensure spraying quality. Finally, we will use the mechanical fixing method to complete the assembly of the entire structure and make sure that the sheet metal delivered to clients is of the highest quality.
Precision hole size, exact locations and their alignment, and the entire flatness, as well as perpendicularity, are critical to the production of a precision metal electronic enclosure. Our professional technical team possesses over 10 years of experience in sheet metal fabrication, and we are constantly improving our processing ability, and we strictly implement rigorous quality control. Our products are recognized by equipment manufacturers both domestically and overseas. Please look at this complex structure, our metal electronic enclosure that we recently customized for a client. To save on production costs, we have enhanced the original production with prototype die processing, allowing us to reduce the production period by 3 weeks and reduce the cost by 15% of the general die. After 3 rounds of testing, our products meet all the specifications our customer required. Additionally, we added great value to the customer's investment through both reduced costs and production time. Our sheet metal enclosures for networking equipment are aimed at customers in need of high-end products. This series of products has high requirements on the shield of the internal surface. We adopt mature and highly efficient technologies for spraying in order to ensure the shielded inner part is not oversprayed or missprayed to meet the requirement of the shield. Please notice the combined network communication cabinet. The effect of the surface spraying and the exact assembly has exceeded our customer's high standard. These are our metal enclosures for bank machines, new energy equipment, and large controlling. This series of sheet metal parts features large size, high precision, and strict surface treatment. Most of the products adopt an integral wetting structure and are shielded inside. Also, we do not overspray or misspray. Please notice this product for our American customers. After our engineers communicated with our customers, we decided to adopt the welding after shielding method and then sprayed the whole product. This technology meets our customers' requirement, and we have engaged in in-depth cooperation.
We believe through intelligent planning, proper processes, and strict control, anything can be achieved. By developing a strong partnership with your esteemed company, we will help you cut costs, deliver top quality products, maximize your profitability. Our goal is to be your long-term partner for sheet metal parts.